Health benefits of regularly eating avocado. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Avocados are not only delicious but also offer a wide range of health benefits when consumed regularly. Here are some of the key health benefits of regularly eating avocados. Nutrient-rich. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, such as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins, minerals, like potassium and folate, and dietary fiber. They provide a significant amount of these nutrients in just one serving. Heart health. Avocados are a heart-healthy food. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which has been linked to reducing bad cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of heart disease. The potassium in avocados can help regulate blood pressure. Weight management. Despite being relatively high in calories, avocados can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. Eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. These compounds may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Skin health. The vitamins and healthy fats in avocados can contribute to healthy, glowing skin. They may help reduce skin inflammation and promote a more youthful appearance. Bone health. Avocados contain vitamin K and vitamin D, both of which are important for bone health. Vitamin K is involved in bone mineralization, while vitamin D helps with calcium absorption. Antioxidant properties. Avocados are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and vitamin E, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Blood sugar regulation. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.